When evaluating functions, it's really important to remember that when we've got, in this case, f of -4, I'm going to plug in this -4 right here into my x, because my function is f of x equals 3x plus 7. So f of x is the name. I'm plugging into x, and then 3x plus 7 is my function rule. So what this will look like is f of -4 equals 3 times -4, so plugging in for x, plus 7. So I'm going to evaluate from here. So 3 times -4 gives me -12 plus 7, which then gives me a -5. So f of -4 equals -5. On my other one to my right, I've got r of s equals s minus 3 divided by 5. So I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go r of 8 equals 8 minus 3 divided by 5. Evaluate from there. So I've got 5 divided by 5, which gives me 1. So r of 8 equals 1. If you guys have any troubles with these, please let your teacher know.